Namaste dosto, welcome to Shatruchi Swadam. Today we are going to prepare chana moong dal onion vada. First we have taken soaked chana dal and moong dal 2 big tablespoons each. We have soaked this for 2 hours. Now we are adding 1 big onion. Add curry leaves. We have taken 10 curry leaves. Now add green chilies as per taste, salt as per taste, jeera 1 teaspoon, rice flour 1 cup, maida 1 cup, Bombay rava 1 cup. We have taken Bombay rava, maida, rice flour in equal proportions. We are adding 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use hot oil for this. Please do not use ghee. If you use ghee, this won't become crispy, so only use butter or hot oil. Mix this mixture well. Add enough of water as required. Friends, this dough should be hard and tight as how we are showing in this video. Prepare the dough in the same way. Friends, this vada tastes very tasty and it tastes very similar to Maddur vada. We can store this up to 15 to 20 days easily. It is very good tea time snack. You can eat it as it is. Maddur vada can be eaten only in a day as it is fresh, but this is deep fried, so we can store it up to 15 to 20 days. See friends, our dough is ready. Totally tight dough, more tight than chapati dough. Now on a banana leaf we are putting some oil, or you can also use some plastic sheet. Now we'll take some amount of dough and form it into cylindrical shape. We need to press it, not so thin, neither not so thick. You can also grease some oil on your hand so it can spread easily and evenly. This vada will be very crispy and tasty. If you make it too thin or too thick, that won't come too crispy. If you press it in a medium thickness, then it comes crispier. We have taken oil for deep fry. Now we'll deep fry all our vadas. It is very tasty recipe, guys. It is recipe since long time. It is ancestral recipe. Everyone loves this recipe at our home. Once you prepare it, happily you can eat it and enjoy it for 15 to 20 days. Even our friends also love this recipe. This really tastes like Maddur vada. That is very famous vada in a place called Maddur in Karnataka. So this is very tasty recipe, friends. We'll deep fry it until it is golden brown. We're removing all our vadas once from our oil out, so air will go in it and it will form more crispier. It is just like double frying. Just for a second you should remove out, then again we'll put it deep fry. So our tasty vadas are ready. We'll drain the excess oil on tissue paper. Enjoy tasty vada. 1 minute friends. If you haven't subscribed to Shatruchi Swadam, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share, subscribe once and be a part of Shatruchi Swadam family. Bye bye friends.